as we did the design of our calculator, now we'll look at the functionality. So we'll go back to our files and we have to perform calculations through hooks. So first of all, we'll import useState from React, and here we'll initialize result, set result, and here we'll use useState, whose initial value will be blank. Okay, so here we'll put the value, which is result. Now, I want that whenever I click on this button, then the value should be displayed. So for that, we'll make a function, click handler. Basically, we have a result, which has no initial value. Now, we want that the value of this variable should be updated. So to do that, we'll write set result. If I click on 9, then 9 will appear. And if I click on 8, then 8 will appear. And then it will concatenate. So we have to access the value of these buttons. So we'll write event.target.value. And we have to pass the event as well. So now I'll put onClick so that the buttons are clicked. Their value will come to set result and will get concatenated. So event.target.value means that if I click this button, its value will be stored in set result. And when the value is stored, then it will concatenate. So I'll write click handler and we'll copy it. Let me show you. So I'll click on 9. It's not working. So let me check the problem. Okay, now I have corrected it. And as you can see, it's working now. I'll copy this function and we'll add with all the buttons, as we have to use all of the buttons. So we'll add the operands as well. Now I'll save it. And as you can see, whichever button I'm clicking on, I'm getting its value. So basically, it's getting concatenated and getting stored in the useState as well. So we'll make another function and we'll name it const clear display, in which we'll give the set result value 0. Because I want that when I click here, then the value should be clear. So due to running of this function, we have 3 present 3 times. So to do that, we'll call the clear display function on the clear button, and with this one we click clear button, and then any value which will be present will be erased. So now we'll save it, and as you can see, I'm clicking on clear and it's getting cleared. Okay, so now we'll make another function and we'll name it calculate, and we'll use the set result variable. So this function helps you to evaluate the value. We'll write this in 2 strings, so if it has any error, then it converts it into a string. Now we'll call the function such that when we click on this button, then this button will be targeted and will evaluate the value. So now I'll save it and we'll see it in the browser. 3 plus 3 equals 6. If we clear it, then it is clearing. So the calculation is working. We've made a React project with the help of JSX functionalities. Alright, so now you know that hooks of React.js are important and useful. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this lecture, and now on to the next one.